Hi everybody, Raul Garcia here, and I got Sonny Lee with me. We're back at the Zebra Product Manager podcast. And so Sonny, today's topic, we're going to be talking about ZT400 with full rewind, and I have the top 6 most frequently asked questions, and I got a challenge here for you. Can you answer all 6 questions within 2 minutes?
2 minutes. Wow, that is a challenge. Okay, I'm up for it.
All right, he's up for it. I got the timer here. I'm going to start it right away. Is the full rewind unit field upgradable to RFID?
Yes, so we've got the full rewind unit here, and you can purchase an aftermarket kit. It actually gets mounted right up here underneath the print head mech.
Okay. What is the difference between full rewind and peel with liner take-up?
Yeah, great question. So we've got the full rewind set up here, and then this has got the peel with liner take-up on a standard unit. The full rewind unit adds about 4 inches of height to the printer, and what it allows you to do is print and rewind that entire 8-inch roll of labels right up inside the printer. The peel with liner take-up, it's rewinding just the label backing. It's allowing you to, keep that liner backing from collecting on the floor.
Can I still do peel option with that?
So the full rewind unit can do both the full rewind, or it comes standard with the peel mech, and it can actually do peel and just the liner take up.
Got it. Can I field upgrade a full rewind unit with a cutter?
Yes, so that peel mech I was talking about, that can actually be removed, and you can order the aftermarket kit cutter and install that.
Why is the full rewind unit taller than a standard unit?
So we need that about 4 inches of extra height just to allow for that full 8-inch roll of labels to get rewound right back up inside.
What is a typical use case for a full rewind unit?
So the most typical use cases, you may have a customer that wants to pre-print an entire roll of labels and maybe send it out to another facility or to a customer. That allows you to rewind it right back up inside the printer.
Got it. Is a standard ZT4 field upgradable to full rewind unit?
No, it's not. So we've got the standard version right here. You can see it's a little bit shorter, and it just doesn't have that chassis height that we need to install that print rewind kit.
So it goes back to the height issue that we were talking
Yep.
about. Perfect. So Sonny, I gotta tell you, congratulations, you did it. So with that, you're a winner today for us, and you'll be able to collect your prizes once you leave the building, the front door.
Is that like the Product Manager of the Year award or something?
Whoa, we'll see about that.
Okay.
All right, thank you, everybody.
Bye, guys.